To have faith is to trust yourself to the water. When you swim, you don't grab hold of the water, because if you do, you will sink and drown. Instead, you relax and float. The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. No work or love will flourish out of guilt, fear, or hollowness of heart, just as no valid plans for the future can be made by those who have no capacity for living now. You don't look out there for God, something in the sky. You look in you. But the attitude of faith is to let go and become open to truth, whatever it might turn out to be. The ego is nothing other than the focus of conscious attention. So then the relationship of self to other is the complete realization that loving yourself is impossible without loving everything defined as other than yourself. Trying to define yourself is like trying to bite your own teeth. And the attitude of faith is the very opposite of clinging to belief, of holding on. In other words, a person who is fanatic in matters of religion and clings to certain ideas about the nature of God and the universe becomes a person who has no faith at all. What the devil is the point of surviving, going on living, when it's a drag, but you see that's what people do. Wars based on principle are far more destructive. The attacker will not destroy that which he is after. Religion is not a department of life. It is something that enters into the whole of it. And although our bodies are bounded with skin, and we can differentiate between outside and inside, they cannot exist except in a certain kind of natural environment. But we try to pretend, you see, that the external world exists altogether independently of us. So what is discord at one level of your being is harmony at another level. The reason we have poverty is that we have no imagination. There are a great many people accumulating what they think is vast wealth, but it's only money. They don't know how to enjoy it because they have no imagination. Some believe all that parents, tutors, and kindred believe. They take their principles by inheritance and defend them as they would their estates because they are born heirs to them. The reason we want to go on and on is because we live in an impoverished present. No valid plans for the future can be made by those who have no capacity for living now. I owe my solitude to other people. We cannot be more sensitive to pleasure without being more sensitive to pain. I have realized that the past and future are real illusions, that they exist in the present, which is what there is and all there is. Things are as they are, looking out into it, the universe. At night, we make no comparisons between right and wrong stars, nor between well and badly arranged constellations. Never pretend to a love which you do not actually feel, for love is not ours to command. But I'll tell you what hermits realize. If you go off into a far forest and get very quiet, you'll come to understand that you're connected with everything. Unless one is able to live fully in the present, the future is a hoax. How is it possible that a being with such sensitive jewels as the eyes such enchanted musical instruments as the ears, and such fabulous arabesque of nerves as the brain, and experience itself anything less than a god. We identify in our experience a differentiation between what we do and what happens to us. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Goodbye.